All right. So much better today. So much better practice today. Feeling good, feeling normal, like close to myself. Not perfect, but very close to myself. Last little bit of caffeine for the day. And yeah, worked, practiced, got some bill payment type stuff finished earlier too that needed to happen. Rescheduled an appointment, that's done. And took a step towards one thing else I have to do. I don't know, get very close to being in the clear. Upcoming, obviously, taxes are coming. And I actually have to renew my real estate license, which isn't that big of a deal, but I have until the end of March to do that, so I got to do that. Those sorts of things are on my mind. There's a few other things I'm not going to get into that are there too, but I got to deal with those things. Nothing too crazy, but feeling so much better. Oh, man. Now, I don't know. I've debated, do I get into politics at all? Obviously, while I'm here trying to enjoy my life, like there's all kinds of things happening in the world that I'm not a big fan of a lot of them, but I don't feel like I have any control over it, so I'm trying not to lose too much sleep over any of that stuff. But I will say, the Venezuela things, what's going on in the background right now, or what just went on. And while they definitely needed to get rid of Maduro, I'm not 100% sure it was a good idea for us as a country, not us, but the United States, to get involved and do it this way. We'll see. They did a pretty impressive job of getting him out of there fairly clean, but it's not like nobody died. So there was, and I know all the things. But anyway, hoping for the best there. Won't be surprised if things just get worse now for the Venezuelans. I hope not. I really hope not. I'm glad, obviously, many of them are happy this has happened, and I hope that it works out in the best way possible. But, brother, the history of the United States getting involved in stuff like this and having things turn out better afterwards it's not there. It's the other way. So hopefully this will be the exception. Please. That's all I'm going to say about all of that. And I still haven't watched that new Fallout episode, and I think another one's coming tomorrow, so I'm going to have 2 Fallout episodes to watch. Maybe I'll watch one tonight, so I don't feel like I have 2. If I feel like I got 2, I might not watch any of them. Excuse me, for quite a while. Anyway, I am still working tomorrow. The day after that, I have a day off. I'm probably going to get out of the house with this camera on that day off. So tomorrow, I don't know. I mean, maybe I'll take you in the car with me in the morning or something if I have something in my head. But I really could go out and do something and use the video capabilities to capture something more than my sanctuary here. That's pretty much where we're at in this room. if that wasn't immediately obvious. Anyway, practice proof complete on this. I think it's, 6th day of January. It's a Tuesday, 2026. Complete. Done. The vlog is never really over. Name that solo. That was close, but very recognizable though.
What's the answer?